How to use shower curtains to design a headboard. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I use shower curtains to add to the design for a headboard. This is a shower curtain that I'm going to be using. The design on it is perfect for what I want. I'll be using wood as well for my headboard, and you all might know by now that I kind of have a lot of pieces of wood laying around, so this particular one is not strong enough for a headboard, so I'm going to be adding other wood pieces to it to make it stronger. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. This entire process is something you can skip if you already have a large piece of wood that's strong enough for a headboard. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue foam on it, and I'm going to make sure that the foam is seated right at the middle. The next thing I'm going to do is make points on the foam that are going to be 5 inches apart. I measured the first set of points that I made, and then the rest of them I just eyeballed them. I'm going to be making holes inside each and every one of the points for the tufting. You can use a pipe, a sharp pair of scissors, or a sharp knife. Shower curtains don't really stretch out the way some fabrics do, so what I'm going to do is carefully locate where the holes are and staple it down in such a way that it doesn't ruin the fabric. After cutting off the excess fabric, I'm gluing the remaining ones like this, close to the foam at the edge to make it neat and to also make it easier for me when I'll be working on the borders. I'll be attaching these 2 wood pieces at the back to make it easy for me to mount it on the wall. I'll be covering up the staple pins with crystal buttons. For the borders, I wanted to use more shower curtains, but then I felt I needed something more catchy, like Dollar Tree bowls. I'm gonna use these because I have a lot of them. I did buy a lot because I wanted using it for a different project. I ended up using something else for that project, and I had a lot of these, so I figured I can finally put this to good use. I'll be using some leftover reflective paper, add some of the edges that I feel might show after I have the Dollar Tree bowls attached to the wood. I'm gonna be adding lighting to this headboard. This uses a remote to make it easy to turn the lights on and off. It is also self-adhesive to make it easy to use. And the link for this is gonna be down in the description box below. I'm gonna carefully arrange the Dollar Tree bowls to make sure that the pattern that I want actually works out. So this is how I'm gonna be laying them out. And this is really important. I had to do this. As you can see, I had to alter the position of one of the bowls just so that the design can flow. When I was done, I mounted it on the wall. And don't forget, I actually used wood at the back to make it easy to hang it on the wall. All you need to do is just have nails on the wall where you can mount the headboard to. I'll be making another headboard not so long from now so that I can have varieties to work with every time I decorate the room. If the shininess and the glam is too much for you, you can replace the borders by using just fabric alone to give it a more softer look. The headboard looks so good at night because just the light that's on the inside illuminates the room. And then in the day, you can see it much clearer and it's still pretty. This was quick and easy to make and still made a bold statement on the wall. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that they too can try out a quick and easy headboard if they're into glam. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.